Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike Reynolds from WeBe Autos. Today we have a fantastic car. It's a 2005 Pontiac GTO. It's got the 6.0 in it. It's silver with the black interior. Only 17,000 miles on it. You know, the 6.0 is the LS2 400 horsepower motor. It's all original and stock. Beautiful. I can't even find one scratch on it. The tires look fantastic. Really nice car. Seventeen 344 miles. Sounds great. This car is like brand new. Automatic transmission. Back seat doesn't even look like it's ever been sat in. It's really nice. Well, thanks for checking us out today. Again, my name is Mike Reynolds from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a buzz. Our number is 631-339-0399. Or check us out online at webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.